Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nyko portable docking kit for the Nintendo Switch. Okay, let's get this opened up and see what's on the inside. So as you can see, it comes packed very nicely. So everything has its own compartment, and you have a user manual. So this is the Nyko power adapter. Oh man, it's packed so nice. Okay, so this is a USB connection, so you can charge your Switch while it's plugged into the dock. Oh. On the bottom, they even provide a HDMI cable. And obviously the Switch itself. So the Switch itself is really very small. So I have the original Nintendo Switch dock here. Let's take the Nintendo Switch out. And this is the size difference. Dude, it's literally half of the size, and it's like 1/4 size thinner. 1/4 size? Yep. The dock itself is very simple. So on the back you have a USB-C AC in, so that's where you plug in the power adapter, a USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0 ports, and a HDMI out port so that you can plug your Nintendo Switch into the dock and then you can connect it to an external TV. So that's what the docking kit is for. What I really like about this is that they even put this little thing in. So you slide it out and you take it out, and then you just put it onto the front of the dock so that your Nintendo Switch can sit on it easily, and it's not just held in place by the USB-C connection. As you can see, it's super simple to set up, so we're going to plug it into the TV and see whether it works, because there have been previous reports that it didn't work. So here's to hoping it works and I don't destroy my Switch. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the whole dock hooked into the TV, and I'm going to try and plug it in, and hopefully it works. So this one goes here, and sliding it in slowly and carefully. It went black. Oh, it works, it works! I didn't push it in hard enough just now. So as you can see, it all works. I'm going to try and connect my controller and see if I can play any games on this. Oh, I can! And so as you can see, it works perfectly, and if I'm not wrong, it's actually even charging it at the same time. So let's go ahead and see how games run, whether there's any delays. Okay, let's just go random everything. Do. Go. Okay. First race. As you saw, the Nyko portable docking kit for the Nintendo Switch works perfectly. I could play games on it, and yeah, I actually like that it's in such a small form factor, and you can make it like, you just slide this back in and it's almost flat. Compared to having to carry this around, this is way easier to slip into my backpack or whatever. Even though previously I did carry a humongous case around with this inside and everything, yeah, that's fine and all, but when I just want to go for a short trip, say to my friend's place, and just take the MRT without bothering to carry such a big case, this is definitely the option that I'm going to go for. A small side note, when it's connected to the dock, even though you can see the Nintendo Switch screen, but nothing will appear on it, so you just have to look at the TV for all your games, controls and everything. The Switch will not function as a second screen. The official pricing for this is $49.99 USD, and in Singapore I actually managed to get it for about 53 SGD. And yeah, it's actually a very good buy because you manage to shrink down everything that this has into such a small dock. And it even has USB ports on the back so you can charge up your controllers or connect your controllers and whatnot. Overall, I do think that this is really, I guess now it's worth the money, even though previously there were many bad reviews on it spoiling their Switch and anything, but they seem to have sorted out most of the issues, and yeah, there's no problems at all. So that's all for this week. Let me know in the comments below on how do you play it on your Nintendo Switch. Do you just use it like that, or do you carry a dock around, or what other docks are there? Because I have seen quite a few on Amazon and in the shops, but yeah, this is the one that caught my eye the most. So remember, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!